First Metro Sec tutorial, how to fund your First Metro Sec using Metrobank Online Banking account. And kung bago ka sa channel na to and gusto mo pa ng mga tutorial videos na katulad nito, please click the subscribe button. So ngayon, nandito ako sa website ni First Metro Sec. And by the way, ito yung bagong itsura ng First Metro Sec na site. Nandito ako sa new.firstmetrosec.com.ph. And then ngayon, mag-login ako gamit yung username and password ko. So I'll click login. And right away, merong nag-pop up na terms and conditions. So pwede nyo itong basahin. There are 5 pages here. Sa akin, I'll go ahead and click I agree. And before I proceed the confirm button, meron din ditong download icon. So pwede natin siyang i-download para pwede natin siyang mabasa pa for future reference. So once na-download ko na siya, I'll click confirm. And close ko muna tong announcement. So ito yung bagong interface ni First Metro Sec. Meron sila nung luma pa, like pwede nating i-check. Gawin lang natin to very quick bago tayo mag-fund transfer from Metrobank Online Banking. So pwede mag-enter ko lang dito yung yung same username and password ko. And then click login. So ito yung lumang interface ni First Metro Sec, and I think the-transition na sila to the new website, which is this one. So ito yung gagamitin natin sa tutorial moving forward. So close ko muna yung luma. So dito, kaya ako nag-login dito sa First Metro Sec is para makita yung available cash natin, which is 6,992. And since bala ko nga mag-transfer ng pera from Metrobank Online Banking to First Metro Sec, i-monitor natin kung gaano ba katagal mapa-fund transfer yung pera from the local online banking to this First Metro Sec account ko. So currently, it's 11:49 in the morning. So nasa normal business hours tayo. So hinahabol natin na bago mag 1 PM makapag-fund transfer na tayo para let's see kung mas mabilis ba yung pag-reflect ng pera from Metrobank Online Banking to First Metro Sec. And dito sa First Metro Sec, yung instruction para makapag-fund transfer from Metrobank Online Banking is makikita siya dito sa account natin. So dito sa bandang kanan sa taas, merong account. So click natin to. And then, deposits. So under deposits, piliin natin tong bills payment. Sa local online banking kasi, para makapag-fund transfer from any of this bank or wallet, kailangan ang piliin nating feature nila is bills payment. So ipapakita natin yan later on. And since magka-fund transfer tayo gamit yung Metrobank, piliin natin tong Metrobank. And then na-redirect tayo sa website ni Metrobank. That's onlinebanking.metrobank.com.ph. Ito siya. So close ko lang to. And then mag-login lang ako dito gamit yung Metrobank Online Banking username and password ko. So dito, importante na meron ka ng online account sa Metrobank account mo. And meron din kami ginawang step-by-step tutorial guide on how to register to Metrobank Online Banking. You may click this link sa taas to check that tutorial video. So mag-login lang ako dito. And dito, ang pipiliin ko is pay bills. And then i-enter ko yung amount, which is lagay ko is 3,000 pesos. And for biller, piliin natin yung First Metro Sec. So, saan ba to makikita? So, dito sa instruction, yung merchant or biller name, dapat ang piliin natin is First Metro Securities Brokerage Corporation. Ito siya. So, balik tayo sa Metrobank and hanapin natin siya. Or i-search ko na lang din dito. So, ang pipiliin ko is yung walang USD kasi peso account yung account ko. And then, yung subscriber number, ang ilalagay ko dito is yung OT number dun sa Metrobank or sa First Metro Sec account natin. So, balik tayo sa First Metro Sec. Ang sabi sa reference, subscriber, or customer number, your account code. Yung sa akin is OT followed by A and then 5-digit number. So, i-copy ko to, highlight ko muna, and then copy. And then, balik tayo sa Metrobank, and then paste ko siya dito. And for reference number, ano tong reference number na to? So, sinearch ko siya dito sa another tab. Ang kailangan nating i-enter sa kanya is 660 as mentioned here. So, ipoprovide ko na lang tong link na to for the instructions sa description sa baba. You may check that as well. And also, dito, dito nakalagay na yung payments received past cut-off should be processed on the next trading day. So, buti na lang wala pang 1 PM. So, most likely mapaprocess to within the day and i-monitor natin yan through this video. So, balik tayo dito. Nalagay ko na yung subscriber number ko, which is yung OT number, and then yung reference number is 660 as mentioned dun sa link dito sa help guide. And then yung source is yung account ko sa Metrobank. And then for notes, optional lang naman to, so i-leave ko na to as blank, and then click ko na yung next na button. And dito yung part na kailangan nating i-review and confirm the details. So make sure na tama yung nalagay natin ditong info. So far tama naman. I'll click continue. And then i-enter ko lang dito yung passcode na sinetup ko before nung nag-open pa lang ako na account sa Metrobank. So mahalaga na hindi natin makalimutan yung passcode natin. So payment in progress, and also may na-receive na rin akong text about this transaction. And sabi dito is your bill's payment is successful. If you did not initiate this activity, we may contact this number. So sa akin, although may na-receive na akong confirmation or text from Metrobank, mahalaga pa rin na i-take ko yung screenshot itong transaction. Just in case kasi na magkaroon ng issue na hindi natin alam, at least may proof tayo na ginawa natin yung transaction online and we can report that to Metrobank. And then click ko tong done. And then balik tayo sa First Metrosec. Ito siya. And balik tayo sa account ko kanina. So currently yung cash ko dito is still 6,900. So refresh natin siya. So 6,900 pa rin siya. So although naka-receive tayo ng text, hindi pa rin siya nag-reflect agad right away dito sa First Metrosec. So stop ko muna tong recording and tuloy ko na lang once na ma-confirm ko na pumasok na yung pera dito sa First Metrosec account ko. And within the same day, nag-check ako ng account ko sa First Metrosec and na-confirm ko na pumasok na nga yung pera na din-transfer ko from Metrobank to First Metrosec. So, naging 9,900 plus na yung balance ko dito after kong mag-transfer. Ang isang napansin ko lang is wala akong na-receive na email notification about this fund transfer. Nung nag-transfer kasi ako ng pera from BPI to First Metrosec, ito yung na-receive kong notification. But with this particular transaction, yung Metrobank to First Metrosec, wala akong na-receive na email. Same siya nung ginawa ko yung BDO to First Metrosec. Wala rin ako na-receive na email. Instead, ang na-receive ko lang is yung email from Metrobank, which is ito yon na successful na daw yung bills payment. Pero yung mismong email from First Metrosec na almost katulad nito, yung cash in notification, wala akong na-receive. Pero ang maganda dyan is at least pumasok na nga yung pera dito successfully. Hindi naman tayo nagkaroon ng issue. Hindi ko lang ma-confirm kung anong oras siya exactly pumasok, kung within 1 hour lang ba or lumagpas pa. Pero pag check natin yung bills payment instruction or information dito, ang sabi is kapag nag-transfer ka ng pera or pag nag-fund ka ng pera from Metrobank or Metro Remit, within 13 minutes lang papasok na yung pera. That is kapag within trading hours ka nag-fund transfer from Metrobank or Metro Remit to First Metrosec. And nung nag-transfer ako ng pera from Metrobank to First Metrosec, ginawa ko siya before 1 PM, which is pasok sa trading hours. So most likely kapag magka-transfer kayo ng pera from Metrobank or Metro Remit to First Metrosec, possible na pumasok siya within 30 minutes as mentioned here. And also, dagdag ko na din na merong statements report or official receipt na ma-receive ka about sa pag-cash in na ginawa mo. Like, nandito ulit ako sa account section nung First Metrosec ko. So, kung nung kinlik ko tong account, napunta ako dito. Meron ditong reports. So, click natin tong statements. So, after i-click yung statements, napunta ako dito. So, pwede ko ma-access yung OR ko and password protected siya. Ang sabi dito is yung password natin, it should be yung birthday natin with this format, month, day, and then yung year. So, download ko yung isang file dito and then open natin. So, enter ko lang yung password. That's, again, my birthday. And enter. So, ito yung OR, official receipt, about sa pagbayad natin or pag-transfer natin ng pera from Metrobank to First Metrosec. It's 3,000 and pumasok nga siya within the same date. That's 5/16. Although, walang nakalagay na exact time dito kung kailan talaga pumasok yung pera. And also, add ko na din na nag-transfer ulit ako ng pera. That's after 1 PM. I think nag-transfer ako either 2 PM or 3 PM. Hapon na yon. So, lagpas na ng trading hours. And yung perang tin-transfer ko from Metrobank to First Metrosec, nag-reflect pa siya the next day, the next trading day. And ganoon din yung pwedeng mangyari sa inyo kung mag-transfer kayo ng pera from Metrobank to First Metro Sec beyond 1 p.m. Possible pumasok din yung pera sa First Metro Sec the next trading day na. And that's it. Nakatulong ba tong video na to? Please let us know by clicking the like button. And kung may naisip kayong questions or topics na tingin nyo pwede namin i-share online, please let us know by providing a comment below. And ito pa yung mga videos na tingin namin pwede pang makatulong sa inyo. Gumawa kami ng tutorial or playlist about First Metro Sec. And kung interested kayo mag-invest internationally, gumawa kami ng playlist about eToro. And this is Lou from Invest Library. We invest, we share, you decide. See you on our next video. Bye-bye!